How to remove echo from your audio in CapCut. Echo can make your voice sound distant or messy, but don't worry, there's an easy fix. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import a video or audio clip that has the echo. If you are working with a video, simply right-click on the clip in the timeline and select detach audio or separate audio like this. Select it like this so you can work on the sound separately. As you can see, your audio has been detached from the video. Now click on the audio track in your timeline to highlight it. Now go to the audio tab in the top right panel and scroll down. You can see normalize loudness. Select it. Scroll down and select the reduce noise, and your noise will be reduced. This works best for the light echo. If available, you can also enhance the voice, but here requires the premium. So if you have the premium, just enhance your voice. Now once you have done it, preview your video. And that's how you reduce or remove the echo in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.